Welcome. Today's flow is pretty active and has a couple funky transitions and different variations. A couple standing balancing postures, as well as a really good juicy hip opener and a twist. Definitely want to do this one after you've warmed up a bit, maybe taken a few sun salutations or done any of my other slow flow warm-ups. Whenever you're ready to begin, we'll start at the top of our mat, standing up. Take a deep breath and sweep your arms overhead. Exhale and drop them to your sides. Inhale, raise them up. Exhale, lower down. Exhale, sweep hands through heart center. Find your balance in the right foot and leg. Bend the left knee and reach your heel for your glutes. Catch your foot with your hand or a strap and take a few breaths here, lengthening the knee towards the floor. Continue to wrap your inner thighs together. Keep the hips square. Mindfully release. Cross the left ankle over top of your right thigh and sink your hips back as though you are going to sit into a chair. Feel a nice deep stretch here in the outer edge of the left leg and hip, maybe even a little into the glute. So you take an inhale, guide the left knee open, and mindfully release your foot down. Inhale, take hold of your right foot, beginning to balance weight on the left, and draw the knee towards the earth. I'm feeling the stretch deepen here into the right quadricep. Cross right ankle over left thigh again, reaching the tailbone towards the back of your mat. Inhale, straighten standing leg. Exhale and open the right knee out to the side. And take a breath here. Release. Breathe in, reach your arms overhead. Bend through the left knee, and as you exhale, send your foot behind you as you lean forward. Reach with your arms. Stack the left hip on top of the right. Keep flexing through the left foot. Reach the right fingertips to the earth or a block. Extend through the left arm. Take a big breath. Bend through the right knee, and as you exhale, drop the left foot to the back of the mat. Inhale and stack your torso over top of hips. Exhale, guide right elbow to thigh and reach the left fingertips overhead. Inhale, come through center, and exhale, slide left fingertips down the back of the leg, reach up with the right. Inhale, come through center, and exhale, forearm to thigh again. Inhale through center, exhale, reach up. Inhale, come through center, frame your front foot. Step the right foot back to meet the left in plank. Shift forward onto the tippy toes, lower through chaturanga. Inhale, stretch the front of the body, and as you exhale, press back to downward facing dog. Sweep the left leg into the air, bend your knee into your chest, and step your foot between your hands. And begin to shift your weight into the left foot. Start to rise up, lifting right leg with you. Stack right hip on top of left, flex firmly through the foot. Press weight into the left hand and reach up with the right fingertips. Exhale and step your right foot parallel to the back edge of your mat. Lunge deeply into the left knee. Forearm to thigh, reach right fingertips overhead. Inhale, come through center, and exhale, slide the right fingertips down the leg, reach up with the left. Inhale through center. Exhale, lean forward again. Inhale one more time and exhale, offer the heart. Inhale, come through center, frame the front foot. Step the right foot forward to meet the left. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. Inhale, rise to stand. Exhale, soften hands together. Take a breath and exhale, bow forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step just the left foot to the back of the mat and then the right. Find your way into downward facing dog. Cross your right ankle over top of the left thigh, creating a figure 4 posture in downward dog. Shoot the right foot to the edge of your mat. Press weight into right hand and open up with the left arm. Cross your left ankle over top of the right thigh, creating figure 4 again. Continue to draw the left knee to the back. Shoot the left foot to the side of your mat. Press weight into left hand and open up with the right arm. Exhale and step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, sweep the right leg into the air. And welcome to stack the right hip on top of the left if you'd like. Open up the knee, drawing it out wider than your right wrist and hip. Few modifications here. One is to place a blanket underneath the outer edge of your right hip. Block is also welcome. You want to imagine that your hips are stuck between 2 panes of glass, and keeping them nice and parallel, squared. This is variation 1, possibly bending the left knee and catching your foot either with your hand, a strap, or if you're feeling like it, getting the foot into the crook of your elbow. Another variation is just simply sitting upright. And a final is to maybe come all the way down onto the forearms or to your chest. And this posture can be a little uncomfortable. Just remember to take deep breaths. You only go to your edge. There's no use in pushing. And stay for as long as you're comfortable. When you're ready to come out, do so slowly, making your way back to a downward facing dog. And pedal into the feet, shake your hips out if you need to. And when you're ready, come to the other side. And guide your left knee out wider than your wrist again. Place any props underneath the outer edge of the left hip if the space underneath it feels like it's too much or too vulnerable. Also, this is a really good place to make sure that your back leg and foot aren't sickling in any way. And take a few breaths in any of these variations. Remember to try things on both sides. You might be surprised at what you find. Even though this may be one that feels a bit more uncomfortable for you, it's good just to kind of hang out and let yourself slowly acclimate to this one rather than popping in and out. And again, when you feel ready to exit, do so slowly. Find your way back to downward facing dog. Take an inhale. Reach your left hand for the outer edge of your right ankle and calf. And finding a little twisted down dog shape. And press your weight into your left hand and reach your right hand for the outer edge of left ankle or calf. And exhale to come back through center. Inhale and walk your feet up to meet your hands at the top of your mat. Inhale, lift your chest up halfway. Flatten spine. Exhale, bow over the legs. Inhale, rise to stand, sweep arms overhead. Exhale, hands meet at heart center. And this concludes today's flow. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any requests, things you'd like to see in the future for videos, please feel free to leave any comments. Have an awesome day. Namaste.